my channel. It's TearaShanice, and today I have a unboxing plus an installing video for y'all today. This hair is from Allove hair. This is the package it did come in. It comes in a purple satin bag. This is Allove hair. Possibly, I don't know if it was DHL, but it came in really fast. It came in within a week. So it did come in just a regular bag. It didn't come in no box, and this is just what it came in. So I'm going to just open it up. And this bag is actually kind of small. I don't know if it looks really big on camera, but it's actually kind of small. But let me just open it up. So I'm going to take out the hair last. So, of course, you get a wig cap in your bag, you know, the typical stuff. And you got a pair of lashes as well. And I believe that's it. So, yeah, so that is it. This is the hair. 4x4 24-inch lace wig, and I am going to open it up. It looks like already it's probably like a brown color, so I absolutely love that because y'all, black hair makes me look so pale, so I love brown hair. Let me just set that to the side. This is how it comes. Y'all can see that shine and that silk already. So it has a hairnet on it. Just take the hairnet off. Well, the hairnet is ripped. The hairnet is ripped, so it was partially on it. Just take that off and take the tissue out. And this is the hair. I believe this wig is like 150% density. It feels kind of thin. Feels like kind of thin to me, but I believe it's 150% density, and you can kind of see through it. So it does look kind of thin actually. But this is the lace on the hair. It does come with pre-made baby hairs for you, and it also looks, it's semi pre-plucked, but it's not really pre-plucked all the way. But that's how it looks, y'all. And this lace look kind of good against my hand. I didn't really expect that, but I believe it's like a light brown lace, and it's not really thick. It's a little thick. The lace is a little thick, but it'll be okay. The knots on it is really, really thin knots. It's not those big old knots that you usually see. So the knots are really good, and I don't know if y'all can see those flyaways. And that's not the baby hairs. Of course, the baby hairs are down here. Y'all can see those flyaways at the top. This is inside of the wig. This is a 4x4. And there are 2 combs on the side of the wig. And there's also 1 comb at the bottom. And you can see the inside. Looks like everything is constructed pretty good. This wig is really stretchy. So just in case, you know, you got a very large head, this wig may be perfect because it does stretch. It does have the bands on the side just in case you have a smaller head and you need to tighten it just a tad bit. But this is the hair. So overall, it's really soft and silky. On me, I feel like it's a little bit thin. The ends are kind of thin too. But it's all right. It's all right. It's all right. So I am going to get into installing this wig and seeing what it actually looks like on me. And you know what? I don't think I'm going to bleach these knots because y'all, when you can't barely see the knots. Like once you put your foundation or your tint or whatever you actually use, y'all ain't going to see anything at all. So that is a good thing. But I am going to just go ahead and install this wig.